See that? Stealth flow. Wonder what I could possibly use that for. I thought it looked cool as hell. It's the equivalent of a 4-inch duct. But hang this up on the wall and you just say, oh, it's just fucking sci-fi crap. Shut the hell up. Leave me alone. It's my style. I'll do what I want. But they only had one. So I gotta go hunt down a few other Lowe's stores and get like 3-4 more. And then just like hang them up on a wall in the office. And that'd look cool. And then these here for a fence. Pretty sturdy. Play baseball with this thing. Well, it hit a tennis ball pretty darn far. They have the spindle ones. Those are like $18 a package, but they go down to just a center, so it doesn't. They just mold it, and it's just a solid tube down the center, and then it goes to a square. So I got to thinking, well, for other purpose, you can make some lamps, balusters, the fancier ones. Got all kinds of CFL clip-on light fixtures. So, and then I also want to use this on the car toolbox thingy. And I got to thinking, I found out what the problem with this design flaw is. It's just way too low. There's not enough wheel height. You gotta have it down really low so only like a 5-foot tall person really can operate this properly when dragging. So you gotta lean, and then so if I move the axle back and up just a little bit, it'll solve some of my problems. And then I wanted a little extender. Here, flip this back over. Garbage in there or something. I wanted some little, okay, you cut like a little slot, a short tube, and then you got another tube and you can slide out, or like have this upside down and tubes down there, and then you flip it and put it in the tubes up, and I can have extra little work, like just two little bars come out. Maybe something. I'm just thinking something like that, but I gotta make this useful. I bought 3 of them by mistake, so I'm gonna make it work one way or another. I got some hinges. You can't see crap with the light. This cheap camera. But nothing came in the mail. And then this guy here's, I got one when I was 18, 1985, 86, around there. It's just about dead. 2 of these batteries still work. One doesn't, so I'm going to figure out which one's no good, take it apart, look inside, take this apart, look inside, see what motor and stuff. If the motor's just shot, I think I know how to fix it. So that's what I'm going to do. The plan anyway. Nothing came in the mail. So these were like $13 for what, 5 of them. That was 5. and then start rocking out some other projects. I got 3 or 4 things I want to do with these. But anyway, it's just part 1 of this evening. I sold, oh my god, I sold one this morning. Lady upstairs beating on my door. She wanted something like that. She had another like file box, and she's like, "Oh, I gotta get this as a gift." Okay. So we hot melt glued some crap on there, that little cone, and then she wrapped it in like paper, wrapping paper, just like a little plastic box. That's $45. Cost me $20 plus shipping. So a little bit of hot melt glue. Yeah, all right, sure. So yeah, like I said, not even trying. So I'm just gonna take some more stuff apart. See if I can make it work. If not, it was fun to learn what was inside. Okay, see what happens later on. Never know. Alright, no sooner than I turned off the camera, the delivery of batteries came. So, I got 3 more of those. 12 volt, 7 amp. $10, but it costs $7 a piece. Like 22 something. To have it shipped. So, like $17-18 compared to 33 plus tax at the store. Wonder what I'll do next time. But anyway, took one of the batteries apart. Here's a good one still. And took this thing apart. It was dying anyway, but I guess see all the crap and gunk, and then the grease, and well, that motor looks familiar. It's called the 550. Here's the 775. And then, yeah, the chuck was just worn. Motor was worn. The battery, the original battery, was garbage. But, see if I can get the light. You see that? You flip the switch, reverses the power. You hit that, turns it on. Flip over there. I'm on a cord. I'm a cut. But okay, there we go. You see, Mater? See my crappy little switch that I've been complaining about needing a forward reverse mechanism? Well, I could have wired it up. It's complicated, but right there's my switch, the one I've been hoping for. So I gotta like just mount this up somehow, and then if you want to go forward this way, backwards that way, and okay. So yeah, just minutes ago, a eureka moment on the switch. This motor's crap, but I got the gear if I can get it out. The motor's got some life, so I can put it in that. I have like 1 or 2 of them on the way, so I'm not terribly worried. Nice little bearing. It's probably shot. Oh, shit's falling. But anyway, at least Get this out of here somehow. Ooh. Let's do this one-handed. Hold the camera. There we go. See how that's corroded? Get this towards the light. I have my phone camera, it's just I want to use this camera up till it don't work no more. That and detail's not that important, but as long as you know that tearing crap up to get what you need can be beneficial. What things are sold as, not necessarily the cheapest way to buy. So if I wanted to go and buy a plastic tube for like just a piece, it would be a lot more. If I just wanted it for like material, of course it's going to be more. So I can show many examples, many examples of where 3 different places in the store, the exact same items, 3 different prices, just by what the name is. Alright, I'm ready for a little break, and then I gotta vacuum and do some more stuff. But I'm having a happy evening, day so far. Oh yeah, that little light lasted like till I woke up. 6 hours. Alright, next coming up. See you later.